Let's learn how to record A06 mobile screen. In this A06 mobile doesn't come default screen record application. So we want to download third-party application. Go to your mobile Play Store and search here X Recorder. After you can see this screen recorder X Recorder application, you can install it. Now I already installed it. You can open it. Now you can set up this application like this. Follow my methods. You can customize your recording options. Click on this app settings icon on bottom area. You can set your audio settings in here. Microphone, internal audio or internal and microphone both options have. And you can select your video resolutions in here. Lot of features have on this settings area. You can customize it as you like. Now I click on this record button. After our screen is going to recording like this, you can see the time is counting. Now our mobile screen is still recording. After the recording, you can stop it like this by pressing this stop icon. Let's check our recorded video. This is our recorded video. You can see the video information, video resolution and file sizes. I think this is very good application to record your mobile screen.